Yo, what up, my traders? Got a green there today. Only lost one trade today, and didn't trade at all for 2 days. So this is my first day trading in 2 days. Stay tuned. Yo, what up, traders? So let's get right into it. Did I forgot to record this trade here, but as you can see, a winning trade. I think I'm up like maybe 15, 16 cents right now. I'm on chain with 5 shares, made about $3. I only have one losing trade. So here, I missed a trade here. I missed this little trade here, but I don't know why I missed it. I just got a little sketched. I think what it was is like when this candle was forming here, this VWAP level was like way down here, and I think I was waiting for the pullback to the VWAP, but it never came. It did like a slight pullback, which I should have taken the entry because I do like to have a candle. I do like to trade a candle that pulls back below of the previous close, and then like and pushes up and goes above it. You know what I mean? So I got that little wick in the bottom. It means it pulled back first, and then it bounced and it went up. So I missed the trade here. So now I'm looking for the next trade, but like this trade here is not gonna like it's not part of my strategy, and that's why I'm gonna miss out on another trade, because this candle here is just too small. This body is too small, and I don't like the volume. The volume is lower than the previous one, so that tells me that the buying is kind of lightening up here, like it's giving up, but it's actually gonna move higher though. So here now, I've been very, very picky and patient lately. Like I didn't trade yesterday, and I didn't trade the day before. I think I didn't trade for 2 days. I didn't have no setups, nothing that I want to trade, and I like that because the old me would have traded anything. I don't care. Well, I would have forced all kind of trades. So I'm just looking. So I'm getting the pullback. I'm looking for it. I'm really looking for it to break 450 and come back down here and test these levels here, but it never really does that. It never pulls back below 50, and I'm noticing that. I'm noticing how the candle's just kind of stalling here. It's not flushing down. It's not going down low. Like, is it? I did like even though it's still in the air, it's not making the move up. It's still risky for the shorts to short here because it's not making the move down. So, it can go anywhere right now. It's risky for the longs because it's not going up. But it's risky for the shorts because it's not going down. So me, I would just stay on the sidelines and wait for a move to happen. Excuse me, wait for a move to happen. So anyway, you see that like, see how it's put down. Now the bears are trying to be in control here, right? You see how it's not pushing down lower than the psychological support level. It got below 50 here, right? So what I'm doing is to see that if it's going to reclaim 50. Now I'm taking the more conservative approach. It's not as aggressive as I would kind of normally would be in, because I would have liked to play a dip below 50, like right here. Like I'm waiting for that dip below 50. I'm waiting for like to get in at 446, 447, but I got in at 455, and I got in at 455 because you're gonna see a big wall at 55 here. Now see a wall at 53, got through 54, got through 50. See how I got through that real quick. So that's when I jumped in. I like how fast I was moving. And then also the fact that it did not break 50. So holding. And then this too, I'm saying I got these 5 shares here, and it helps me hold on to my position because I don't really feel like panicking out of a trade. Like the old me, I'd have been took that off. But I ain't gonna lie, if I had more shares than 5, I had like 500 shares or 1,000 shares, I probably would just scalp 3-4 cents and just be done with it. Probably would have did that. So anyway, sold out there, got out both my positions. I'm up $1.52. Yeah, I'm gonna look for another trade right here too. So I look now. Now this is looking a little sketch. We have the wick here. Excuse me. We have the wick here. It is looking sketch, but it's not flushing down. It's not going down. Like this price action tells me that it should go down, but it's gonna be some bid props a little bit. And it's gonna prop up. Just watching it here. 450 sign test 450s at 453 on the bid. You see that? See how it's refreshing? You see how I just refreshed, right? And look on the bids, it's refreshing. That's it. That's the hidden buyer. He gave up. He got away. He gave up. I bet that 450 up. He came right back. The 450 guy came right back on the bid, starting to go up. 453s back there where it was absorbing all those shares and refreshing. He lost it again. I'm telling you, like, right, what's it doing is doing that losing is just making the shorts think that it's gonna fail. So it's getting everybody to chase, and it's gonna rip it in their face. So right here, it's gonna get a little dip, a little panic right here. Now right now, like, see all that red on the tape? Everybody is shorting these lows. They shorting. Oh yeah, they think it's gonna break, and they just got trapped right there because it was at 46, 45, and just now the bid's at 452. So I'm gonna enter a position soon here because I see that. Tested 50s again. Let's see if he's going to crack 50s again. Let's see how strong this guy is. He's strong. 450s is strong. So I'm being more patient now. I'm letting the stock, just do what it do for a little while. Test out. I mean, like, hang out for a while. Are you do something? Make a move. You know what I mean? And so by doing that, I do miss trades sometimes. I do miss them. But I'd rather miss some trades than get in and take a loss, man. I don't know. So right there, that little dip right there, it's a little panic dip. That's where I should have got it. That should have been if I'd have got in right there at the bottom of that would have been a real aggressive entry. But I'm just trying to be a little conservative here. The conservative way is to see if you get a wick at the bottom, and let's see if it reclaims a previous support level, which is in this instance is $4.50. So let's see if $4.50 can reclaim. And if it doesn't reclaim, I won't take a trade. I won't think it's bullish. See, we got board. And this too, man, like this too. Now look, I'm gonna go back here. Now, when I see stuff like this, like, let me give y'all an example. Now, you see this here, look at the X. You got all these orders here, right? 40, 23, 23, 12. Now I do have a video out there about how to identify selling pressure, and this is a way to identify it. But this is a little bit different. Like, this signifies selling pressure, but this is also bullish. It's kind of, I know it's weird. It's hard to explain, but like me, when I see these big numbers like that, and it's a lot of them, 40, 23, 23, 12, you got good on the tape, and it comes up here and tests it, and it goes down, it comes up here and tests it, and it actually stays on the axe and let it get eaten out. I think that's bullish. Hold on. So we got the LGVN, got a halt. It's about to resume a couple of seconds. So it pushed right up, did not pull back. So did not take a trade. I'm looking for a red candle to pull back under this previous candle's close for me to consider taking the trade. So this candle, man, this is looking very sketch. You see how the price is going up on low volume? That's sketchy to me. I don't like price going up on low volume, even though it can do that. I just feel like at any point in time, somebody can short it and overwhelm the people buying, and it'll go down. So we got a little dip here, jumped in there at 698, and this is proper share size for me because I don't panic out this trade. Like, I should have took an ad down there. I really should have took an ad, but no. It's looking very heavy up here. $7. It is looking heavy. But my proper share size is not gonna let me. Panic out. So it's at 680. See how 680 is not really breaking. So I like that. Got to break out before above 7, and I just sell it for a quick little pop. So up $3.21 on the day. Trade with 5 shares. Thank you guys for watching.